What's up, guys? Riding a Sasquatch today. Bluebird day, but they haven't got snow in like, it's been like 2 weeks since they got snow. Not very good, but we're out here gonna have some fun. We'll check out if they have any park features. We'll do like a nice warm-up lap. I also detuned my board, so first time ever detuning. We'll see how she rides. It's gonna be a different ride, kinda. Won't have his best edge hold, but I won't catch on no features if they do have features.
Thanks, Jay.
Thank you.
Bro, how's the powder looking?
Powder?
Yeah, there's some fresh powder. We had dump last night.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Yeah. Just keep hiking it. Yeah, that rail's big. That was a little bit too big for me. Okay, should I try boar's line? Start doing this one. I think this one will be easier to board slide. We'll do another 50, but then might throw snow on it because it seemed pretty sticky whenever I went on it. All right, I just gotta send the board slide. Just gotta do it. Bitch. That's what I was waiting for. I wanted to stack up. Okay, what do I gotta do different? I just have to put weight on my back front leg and just have a hinge in my upper body and just squat. Let me just put that. Try the board slide again. I gotta just power through it. Why am I so scared? Okay, we're just gonna go on. We're just gonna start board sliding it after we're on. That works. Okay, that worked. Well, let's do a couple more of those. I want to start doing the whole thing. Just gotta keep dialing in these front boards. I mean backboards. I'm saying the wrong term. Just gotta look at the end of the box too. Yeah, I'm not stacked enough. Yeah, it didn't feel very good. Can't lie. Caught an edge. Okay, I literally just have to put weight on my front foot, bring out the back, like the tail. I have a hinge in my upper body. Huh? I got to the end. I think I'm squatting my butt to my center of gravity is getting way too far off balance. So now I got a new issue. When I look at the end of the rail, I don't know what it is. I keep slipping out now. The end of the rail helps me so I can time it, but I just keep slipping out. Yeah. Get my ass handed to me. Yeah, me too. That's why I brought my big water bottle. I knew I'm gonna be here trying this for a long time. Okay, I gotta figure out what the hell I'm doing wrong. I got scared. I was like, man, I feel like I'm gonna slip out. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I'm not bending my legs enough. Not too sure.
I was gonna feel like you're gonna slip out because you're on metal instead of snow.
Yeah.
And metal on metal is like
Pretty slick.
yeah. Loosen up a bit.
Yeah,
so
100%.
These ones are like super. They'll just do it.
Yeah, those things have been broken in for a while.
They got broken in like 10 years ago.
Yeah. I think like the tube would be easier to try and...
Well, it might be a little bit less painful. You can like smash down hard on it and you're not gonna like destroy anything.
Like what I'm doing on this thing.
Yeah.
I'll try it, because yeah, no, this thing, already 4 times on my ass on that thing, and I'm starting to feel it a little bit. That's not so bad. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Yeah, I'll do that a few times and see if I can do the backboard on that. It is really nice, actually. That was sick. Definitely a little nervous to try the backboard on this thing, but it can't. There's no way it could hurt more than that. Got it. Oh yeah. Well, I don't think I popped at all. That didn't hurt at all though. I didn't land flat foot at all. But the first one's out of the way. What was your name again? Sarah? Okay, I gotta remember. I've had too many concussions, but I can't remember her names very well.
No, it's okay.
I gotta let my ass like mellow out a little bit too. Slamming so many times.
Yeah. Got it!
Nice.
Woo!
And try this. There we go. That was actually so much easier than the box. Oh. It's that first rotation. It's just like.
I get so nervous because I'm going fast and I'm like, I don't know what's winding up, and then it's too late, and then I'm like on the box.
To be honest, dude, the lip, like it's so small, it doesn't give you enough time to like, it seems really hard. Okay, let's see if I fall my ass doing the front board or back board. Let's see it. Not bad. That's not bad. That's some good park progression. Did the backboard on the box and on the two. That was pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with myself. Yeah, take a break from park for a little bit. Do some groomers. It should have warmed up. It warmed up quite a bit, so it's gonna be nice and slushy. What's up, man?
Watch out.
Sweet. What's that?
Yeah, the hike to Whistler.
Oh.
Yeah. You should have started already, man.
I think I'm gonna start now. I think.
Yeah, the sun's going down.
Yeah, I gotta beat it. I gotta beat the sun. Yeah, it's warmed up quite a bit. It's gonna be nice and slushy. What run is that? Is that a run? Huh. I don't know. I got over there. He just dropped a glove. I wonder if you'll notice. Literally just dropped it. Hey, you dropped a glove! Didn't find it. Didn't find the powder.
Dude, you gotta keep searching.
I'll find it somewhere. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. Got a nice core shot.
What's that?
Got a nice core shot.
Oh yeah.
Yep, I'm gonna have to fill that one with P-Tex tonight. Knew something felt weird when I was going on my heel edge. I was like, why does it feel so awkward? Oh my god, I can't even. That's fucking weird. Yeah, no. That sucks. I'm gonna go home, fill her up with P-Tex. Damn. They just suck.